It seems like many people are feeling a bit under the weather right now. Everywhere you look, someone might be coughing or dealing with a runny nose. But a common challenge isn't just catching a bug, it's that it can be hard to know how to support your body through those early symptoms to stay comfortable. You might have a cabinet full of old medicine, but a few simple tools for relief might be missing from your routine. By the end of this video, you will know 10 science-backed homemade remedies you can make right now with ingredients that are probably already sitting in your kitchen. Quick reminder, we are seeing an increase in seasonal bugs right now, so it's helpful to have a plan in place. When you feel that first scratch in your throat or that heavy feeling in your chest, you want comfort and relief. These remedies won't cure a cold or flu, but they can significantly improve comfort and help you rest while your immune system does the real work. Before we dive in, remember that while these methods are excellent for comfort and symptom management, these are general wellness tips and not professional medical advice. If your symptoms are severe, always consult a doctor. We are counting down from number 10 all the way to number 1. Make sure you stick around because the final remedy on this list is a classic tool for your comfort. We're going to cover the simple steps to make them exactly what symptom each remedy targets, whether it's congestion or a sore throat, and the specific timing of when to use them. Remedy number 10, the honey lemon warm drink. This is a classic for a reason. This is primarily for throat comfort and soothing a dry, irritating cough. Honey is a natural demulcent, which means it physically coats the throat to reduce irritation and may help reduce cough frequency. Meanwhile, the lemon adds flavor and stimulates saliva, which helps keep the throat moist. A very important safety note, honey should never be given to children under 1 year of age due to the risk of botulism. To make this, use warm water rather than boiling water to preserve the qualities of the honey. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into a mug of warm water and stir in 2 tablespoons of honey. Sip this slowly to calm the tickle in your throat. This pairs exceptionally well with remedy number 7. Remedy number 9, ginger tea with black pepper. Ginger is a great option for supporting a heavy, achy body. Gingerol, a bioactive molecule, supports the body's comfort and may help with feelings of nausea. To make this in under 5 minutes, grate 1 inch of fresh ginger root and simmer it in water for 3 minutes. For an extra boost, add a little black pepper. This adds a nice warmth and may enhance circulation. This is a fantastic comfort remedy to use in the morning to help you feel more alert. Remedy 8, saltwater gargle. This next remedy is especially helpful for easing that initial scratchy feeling in your throat. While salt water doesn't kill viruses directly, it can help reduce swelling, soothe irritation, and wash away mucus and irritants that make soreness worse. It's best to start using this as soon as a sore throat first appears. Mix half a teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water until it dissolves completely. Be sure not to swallow it. Gargle for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. Repeating this a few times throughout the day can noticeably reduce throat pain and make speaking and swallowing more comfortable. Remedy 7, eucalyptus steam inhalation. This is designed for comfort under heavy congestion. Plain water works wonderfully, but you can add just 1 drop of eucalyptus essential oil to help open the senses. Crucial safety warning, skip essential oils entirely if you have asthma, COPD, or sensitive lungs. Also, avoid using essential oils around children or applying them directly to the skin. The setup, pour boiling water into a large heat-safe bowl. Create a steam tent by leaning over the bowl and covering your head with a towel. Breathe deeply for 5 and 10 minutes, keeping your face at least 12 inches from the water. Remedy 6, turmeric warm milk. This is great for evening relief. Warm a cup of milk, dairy, or almond, and whisk in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Turmeric may help support the body's natural recovery process. Add a pinch of black pepper to help your body utilize the turmeric more effectively. If you find turmeric upsets your stomach, or if you're on blood thinners, check with your doctor first. Drink this 30 minutes before bed to feel warm and comfy. Remedy 5, warm garlic or vegetable soup. Warm liquids help keep nasal mucus moving, which can reduce congestion and prevent painful sinus pressure from building up. While garlic's effects are relatively modest, it has long been valued for its natural properties and can be a comforting addition to warm remedies. To prepare it, smash 4 or 5 cloves of garlic and gently simmer them in broth, allowing the flavors to infuse. If raw garlic tastes too strong for you, simply let it cook a little longer to mellow the intensity while still enjoying its warmth and aroma. By the way, if you like keeping track track of how you're feeling while you recover. Some people find symptom tracking apps helpful. Apps like Bearable or Care Clinic let you log things like energy levels, congestion, sleep, and hydration day by day. They're not medical tools, but they can help you notice patterns and keep a simple record of how your symptoms change over time. Remedy 4, DIY Hydration Boost. When you're feeling under the weather, your body tends to use fluids more quickly than usual, making dehydration easier to overlook. While this simple mixture doesn't replace medical-grade electrolyte solutions, it can help restore fluids and a small amount of sodium lost during mild illness. To make it, take a large glass of warm water and add a pinch of mineral salt, a squeeze of fresh lemon, and a teaspoon of honey for gentle sweetness. Staying properly hydrated is one of the most effective ways to thin mucus, support circulation, and keep your energy levels more stable as your body recovers. Remedy number 3, the humidity trick. This next one helps at night. Dry air can make a cough feel worse. If you have a humidifier, run it. If not, you can place bowls of room temperature water near vents to add moisture to the air. Avoid using boiling water in bowls on the floor, as this can be a burn risk for children or pets. Remedy number 2, the warm compress for sinus relief. This can help reduce the feeling of facial pressure. A warm compress increases blood flow and helps loosen congestion. Take a hand towel, soak it in warm, not hot, water, wring it out, and lay it over your eyes and nose. It provides a nice moment of relief. Remedy number 1, the garlic ginger honey paste. This mix is a popular option for providing comfort in the house due to the fact that it has both a warming and calming impact. Garlic and ginger offer a warming sensation, while honey coats the throat and provides a soothing experience. If you want to significantly reduce the risk of botulism, which can occur when raw garlic is stored in honey, you should only make this in small amounts that are fresh. This is an important safety note. Ensure that this is stored in the refrigerator and that it is utilized within the following 24 to 48 hours. There should not be a prolonged period of time spent storing it. It is only intended to be utilized for a short length of time and will only be used in little quantities. I want to emphasize once more that this is not meant for children who are younger than 1 year old. It is possible to make the paste by first crushing 1 clove of garlic and a tiny piece of ginger, and then combining the crushed garlic and ginger with 1 tablespoon of raw honey. This allows for the creation of the paste. One possibility is that the powerful flavor will assist in clearing your sinuses and provide you with a sensation of relaxation that is both reassuring and pleasant. In the event that you feel the need to consult a physician, in spite of the fact that these treatments make you feel more comfortable and maintain your hydration levels, you should seek medical help if you have any of the following symptoms: a strong fever that has been present for more than 3 days without improvement. If you are experiencing discomfort in your chest, or if you are having difficulty breathing, there are various indications that the individual is extremely weak or dehydrated. Indications and symptoms that are deteriorating rather than improving is a concerning trend. Although the purpose of these recommendations is to help you feel better while your body is recovering, it is important to note that they are not meant to serve as a substitute for medical treatment. In the event that you could please let me know which of these you find to be the most helpful, it would be greatly appreciated. I would appreciate it if you could make a comment below and share this with someone who could use a little bit of additional comfort throughout the day. Ensure that they consume a sufficient amount of water and take care of themselves.